Why would you buy the best printers cleaning kit over any other cleaning kit on the market? Stay tuned, you're not going to want to miss this video. Hey guys, what is going on? The printer guy here, and today I wanted to talk about my product, the best printers cleaning kit. Why would you buy this product over other products that are on the market? If this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Also, as always, there's going to be a link down in the description below for this product. All right, so the first reason you would use the best printers cleaning kit over any other cleaning kit is that the materials used are of a much higher quality. The standards and the practices that we use to source our product is of the highest caliber. You're not going to get low quality items. All of the attachments that you get in the kit, from the packaging to the materials inside to the cleaning fluid, it is going to be of the highest caliber. The second reason is this 20 milliliter syringe. Many of my competitors sell a similar product, but they don't include a 20 milliliter syringe. The reason why you want to use a 20 milliliter syringe versus a 10 or 5 milliliter syringe is that you're able to push more cleaning fluid through at one time. That is very important when it comes to actually breaking up the blockage that there is in the print head. You actually are dissolving, you're actually breaking up the blockage that has built up in the print head. And so you need a higher capacity syringe like this one. You want to be able to push more cleaning fluid through at one time in one go. If you're limited to 10 milliliters, you have to stop at 10 milliliters, go back and refill. And so if you wanted to push 15 or 20 milliliters at a time, which you should on each one of the nozzles that is giving you this type of issue, that is going to increase the flow and the rate at which you are actually pushing the cleaning fluid through. And that's going to actually help you break up the blockage more effectively. Reason number 3 why you would want to buy the best printers cleaning kit over any other cleaning kit on the market is that you have USA based support. Myself or a team member are highly specialized in this field. You have specific questions, and so we will bring you specific answers. And when you reach out on Amazon, when you reach out on our YouTube channel, you get specific answers to the questions that you have. And so that support is invaluable, because when you're using this product, you want to be able to get support if you need support. Number 4 is that there is a money back guarantee. That means that if you are not satisfied with this product, you actually will get your money back without a return. That is how confident we are in this product, that you will actually be satisfied, you'll solve your problem, your print head issue, and you will be a happy customer printing normally again. And lastly, this is my own product that I've been using over the years. I've been perfecting it over time. Can this product be even better? Yes, and in the coming years, it will get better, because I'm constantly tweaking it, I'm making it better, I'm making changes. And so what you're buying when you buy the best printers cleaning kit is you're buying assurance that you are buying the absolute best cleaning kit that is on the market. All right, I hope I gave you good reason to buy the best printers cleaning kit. I am so confident in this product. I know it's going to solve your print head issue, and I know you're going to be satisfied with the product overall. Just look at our hundreds of 5-star reviews. We have raving customers, saved hundreds of dollars, and we're able to save their printer. And do we have some negative reviews? Of course. What product doesn't have negative reviews? Many times, because this is such a specialized product, you really have to make sure you're following the instructions. That is one thing I will pinpoint in this video. If you're buying this product, please make sure to follow the instructions to a T, and also use other video instructions along with the instructions that come in this packaging. But these instructions always supersede the instructions you get in a YouTube video. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to like the video. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. That's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.